From Washington, D.C., you're watching DD India Global. Next news from Asia. In Nepal, the two largest parties in the federal parliament, the Nepali Congress and the CPN-UML, have agreed to share power, aiming to form a new government under the leadership of UML chair KP Sharma Oli. Prime Minister of Nepal, Pushpakamal Dahal Prachand, on Tuesday called on President Ramchandra Paudel and decided not to resign from his post. The pact finalized between Nepali Congress President Sher Bahadur Deuba and UML Chairman KP Sharma Oli outlines the ministerial division, provincial leadership roles and a rotation for the prime ministerial position. Under the agreement, UML Chairman Oli will lead the government initially for the first half of the remaining term of the current parliament. And DD India's Shweta Singh now joins us from Kathmandu on the story. Hi Shweta. Is Pushpakamal Dahal ready to step down now that its largest coalition partner has withdrawn support?
Tanvi, actually, you see, though two largest parties have come together now, but Prachanda is not willing to step down as he met yesterday President Ramchandra Paudel. And in the meeting, he discussed about the latest political development in Nepal. And he requested for coming for a floor test. So, as per latest news, Prachanda is not willing to step down and he will go for floor test.
Okay, he's had a good history as far as facing the confidence votes is concerned. So, what are his likely, possibility of winning in this floor test?
Actually, today when I met a lot of political leaders, so they told on the moral ground, Prachanda should step down because two of the largest party, Nepali Congress with 89 seats and CPN-UML with 78 seats. When they come together, Prachanda just have 32 seats. So there is no way that he can gain support.
Okay.
And if any of these party releases a political party white, there is no chance that he will come successful in this floor test.
All right.
And because present alliance between Nepali Congress and CPN UML, they want amendment in the constitution to stabilize the political setup in Nepal.
Okay.
So you see, these are like very
political, we'll leave it here for now. Thank you very much, Shweta Singh, for joining us on the story from Kathmandu. The Indian Space Research